Hello friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm back with a new recipe. I'm going to show you how I prepare this cheesy capsicum paratha. This can be prepared and served any time of the day for breakfast, lunch or for dinner. It's a very nice and filling dish. So I'll be preparing the capsicum filling, but I'll be using the pre-made parathas for this recipe. If you want a detailed recipe, I've got a paratha recipe on my channel and on the blog. So here I've prepped up all the ingredients and reserved. Whatever ingredients I'm using in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. Or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my written blog. On my written blog I've posted a detailed recipe along with all the measurements. Here I've heated a wok on medium flame. To the wok I've added oil. Once the oil has heated up well, I'll be adding cumin seeds. We need to allow the cumin seeds to splutter a bit. Then we'll be adding finely chopped onion, chilies, curry leaves and coriander. We'll fry all the ingredients till the onion turns transparent. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video. Also like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter for regular updates. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more recipes. Here you can see I kept stirring the onion and I fried it till it's transparent. We need to finely chop all the ingredients because we are going to stuff this in the paratha. You can use any store-bought or ready-to-use Kerala paratha, or you can prepare this at home itself. Just follow my recipe. I'll post the recipe links in the description box below this video. Now I've added finely chopped capsicum. We need to fry the capsicum till the capsicum wilts down a bit. So once the capsicum has fried well, I've added salt as per taste. I'll also add a tiny amount of water for the capsicum and the onion to cook down a bit, because if it fries and cooks down a bit, it will taste even better. So now I'll add small amount of water, just 2 teaspoons of water, that's about it. We'll stir it well and cook the capsicum for another 2 to 3 minutes. And this is such a simple recipe, you can prepare this in a jiffy. While your capsicum is cooking, try to grate the cheese, and if you have to prepare the paratha at home itself, do prepare the paratha at this point. So once the vegetable is done, we have to assemble it. Now you can see the vegetable has cooked. I'll remove it from the flame. I've heated a tawa on medium flame. I'll place the tawa on low flame and I've added the paratha on the tawa. Now we will flip it on both sides and fry it on both sides on low flame. Once the paratha has cooked little bit, then you can start frying it. Some people like the paratha deep roasted and they like that crispy texture on top. So you can add extra oil and you can fry the paratha once you have stuffed the vegetable. So now to one half of the paratha I've placed the vegetable and I'll be topping it with the grated cheese. We need to fold the paratha and drizzle oil evenly on both sides and flip the paratha and fry it for both sides until it turns crispy. So in this process your paratha will turn dark brown in color if you want it extra crispy and you like it that way. So you have to fry it on low to medium flame till it turns like golden brown in color. So many people like this Kerala paratha extra crispy. So do try that also, it's very nice. So this is my second paratha I'm preparing. It turned out so good. This is a very simple recipe and very filling. So do try this. You can use the same filling for bread sandwiches also. So that's how simple it is. Now once the paratha filled with cheese and the vegetable, I folded it in half, drizzled oil and fried it on both sides till it turned golden brown in color. Now I'll be serving my crispy paratha with some ketchup and I'll be serving this hot as possible. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, friends, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll keep posting more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.